I'm here with Raven Zachary of the 451 group at the Linux Foundation's Collaboration Summit. How are you doing, Raven?
Very good, thank you.
Great. What do you think of the summit so far?
So far, this is great. This is my second year. First year I came was at Google last year as an attendee. This year I'm here to moderate a panel and just a little bit on the business of open source.
Great. How was Martin Mikkos's keynote that just happened recently?
Martin's a great speaker. He came this year as a representative of Sun with the acquisition of MySQL AD, talked about Sun's contributions to open source and their commitment to LAMP, including Linux. Very interesting information, and it's interesting to see the audience being very receptive to Sun's participation here and to Martin's perspective on Sun now as a strong contributor and supporter of the Linux effort.
Was there anything surprising from the keynote?
Well, no. I mean, I think Martin started to slide with the Sun branding elements, different than what we've seen from Martin before as an independent CEO of an open source vendor. One we thought was probably stay independent or maybe go public. But he's here now as representative of Sun. He certainly cares and continues to support the various efforts going on in open source, including Linux. And I think we're going to see a lot of really interesting things from his group in the future.
Can you give us a little preview on your panel that will be coming up?
Well, I have an assortment of folks in the open source business community, CEOs and investors, and we'll be looking at the role of revenue generation, the commercialization of open source, and how businesses work effectively with communities, and how one generates a commercial opportunity from open source.
Great. Is there anything else you'd like to share with me?
Having a good time. Thank you very much.
Great. Thank you.